Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. If you have a master number 22 life path, the year 2023 is likely to be an important time for you. This powerful number is associated with enormous potential, but it also carries its own unique challenges and responsibilities. One of the major themes for those with a master number 22 life path in 2023 will be the need to balance their ambition with their desire to make a positive impact on the world around them. This can be a difficult balance to strike, as the energy of the master number 22 often pulls people towards material success and achievement. However, it is important for those with this life path to remember that they are here to serve a higher purpose and make a difference in the world. Another theme for those with a master number 22 life path in 2023 will be the need to overcome fear and doubt in order to reach their full potential. This number is associated with a powerful sense of purpose and a desire to create something meaningful, but it can also bring up feelings of insecurity or self-doubt. Those with a master number 22 life path will need to cultivate resilience and perseverance in order to overcome these challenges and achieve their goals. Finally, the year 2023 will be a time for those with a master number 22 life path to tap into their intuition and spiritual connection in order to navigate the challenges ahead. This number is associated with a deep sense of spirituality and a connection to the divine, and those who are able to tap into this energy will be better equipped to handle whatever comes their way. In summary, the year 2023 is likely to be a powerful and transformative time for those with a master number 22 life path. By balancing ambition with service, overcoming fear and doubt, and tapping into their intuition and spiritual connection, they can achieve their highest potential and make a positive impact on the world around them. Individuals with a master number 22 life path are blessed with enormous power and potential, and the year 2023 holds tremendous promise for them. To harness the energies of this year and achieve their goals, individuals with a master number 22 life path should focus on aligning their spiritual and material pursuits. One way to do this is to set clear and specific goals that are aligned with their deepest values and highest ideals. This will help them stay motivated and focused, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. In addition, individuals with a master number 22 life path should seek out opportunities to collaborate with others who share their vision and goals. Networking and building relationships with like-minded individuals will help them expand their reach and influence and achieve greater success in their endeavors. Another important way to harness the energies of the year 2023 is to cultivate a sense of balance and harmony between their inner and outer worlds. This means taking care of their physical, emotional, and spiritual health, as well as maintaining a positive and optimistic mindset. Finally, individuals with a master number 22 life path should stay open to new experiences and opportunities, and be willing to take calculated risks in pursuit of their goals. By stepping out of their comfort zones and embracing uncertainty, they can tap into their full potential and achieve the greatest possible success in 2023 and beyond. Remember, as a master number 22, you are capable of achieving extraordinary things. With focus, determination, and a willingness to embrace new experiences and opportunities, you can harness the energies of the year 2023 to achieve your goals and live your fullest potential. So go out there and make this year your best one yet. Individuals with a master number 22 life path are known for their immense potential and ability to achieve great things, but they may also face some unique challenges in the year 2023. Here are some common challenges they may encounter, along with tips on how to overcome them. Feeling overwhelmed by their own potential. As a master number 22, individuals may feel the weight of their own potential and struggle to find direction or focus. To overcome this, it's important to take time to reflect on their goals and values and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Difficulty balancing their spiritual and material pursuits. Individuals with a master number 22 life path are capable of achieving great material success, but they may also feel called to pursue more spiritual or altruistic goals. To find balance, they can focus on integrating their spiritual values into their material pursuits and seek out opportunities to use their success for the greater good. Resistance to taking risks. Because individuals with a master number 22 life path are so capable, they may be hesitant to take risks or try new things. However, taking calculated risks can be an important part of achieving their goals. To overcome this, they can start by taking small, manageable risks and building up their confidence over time. Struggle to maintain healthy boundaries. Individuals with a master number 22 life path may be prone to taking on too much and struggling to maintain healthy boundaries. To overcome this, they can practice saying no to things that don't align with their values or goals and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout. By acknowledging these challenges and taking proactive steps to overcome them, individuals with a master number 22 life path can navigate the year 2023 with greater ease and success. With their immense potential and dedication to personal growth, there's nothing they can't achieve. If you have a master number 22 life path, you possess an incredible amount of power and potential that can be used to make a positive impact on the world. In the year 2023, you can leverage your unique gifts and talents to create a better future for yourself and others. One way you can make a difference is by pursuing your dreams and ambitions with passion and determination. With your inherent leadership skills and ability to manifest your visions into reality, you can become a force for positive change in your community and beyond. You may also consider using your gifts to help others, whether through volunteering, mentorship, or philanthropy. Your natural empathy and compassion can inspire those around you to also make a difference in the world. Another way to make a positive impact in the year 2023 is to leverage your creativity and innovation. Your ability to think outside the box and come up with unconventional solutions can help address some of the world's most pressing issues. By the way, if you want to learn more about numerology, self-improvement, or just want to get inspired, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Lastly, remember to stay grounded and connected to your spiritual path. As a master number 22, you are here to serve a higher purpose and help bring about positive change on a global scale. By staying true to your inner compass and following your intuition, you can make a powerful impact on the world in 2023 and beyond. If you have a master number 22 life path, it's important to stay grounded and aligned with your purpose in the year 2023. Fortunately, there are many spiritual practices and tools that can help you do just that. One of the most powerful tools for individuals with a master number 22 life path is meditation. Meditation can help you connect with your inner self, tune out distractions, and gain clarity on your goals and purpose. You can try guided meditations, visualization exercises, or simply sit in silence and focus on your breath. Another powerful tool is journaling. By writing down your thoughts, feelings, and goals, you can gain greater insight into your inner world and track your progress towards your dreams. You can also use journaling as a way to release any negative emotions or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. In addition to these tools, it's important to surround yourself with positive influence and like-minded individuals who share your vision and values. Joining a spiritual community or seeking out mentorship from someone who has walked a similar path can provide you with the support and guidance you need to stay on track. Ultimately, staying grounded and aligned with your purpose as a master number 22 requires a commitment to self-care, mindfulness, and spiritual growth. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can stay connected to your inner wisdom and achieve your highest potential in the year 2023 and beyond. My recommendations to navigate through the energies and challenges for the year 2023 are the following. First, stay grounded in your purpose. As a master number 22, you are here to use your gifts and talents to make a positive impact on the world. It is important to remember this as you face any challenges that may arise in 2023. Keeping your focus on your purpose can help you stay motivated and driven, even when things get tough. Secondly, practice self-care. It can be easy to get caught up in the demands of work, family, and other responsibilities, but it is important to take time for yourself. Make sure you are getting enough rest, exercise, and nourishing food. You may also benefit from practices such as meditation or journaling to help you stay centered and balanced. Thirdly, stay flexible and adaptable. The year 2023 may bring unexpected changes or opportunities your way. It is important to be open to new experiences and willing to adjust your plans as needed. Remember, as a master number 22, you have the ability to combine the highest ideals with enormous power. Use this strength to adapt to any situation that comes your way. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. As strong and capable as you may be, it is okay to reach out to others for support and guidance. Seek out mentors, friends, or family members who can offer advice or simply be a sounding board. Remember, you are not alone on your journey. In summary, master number 22, the year 2023 will have its ups and downs, but by staying focused on your purpose, practicing self-care, staying adaptable, and reaching out for help when needed, you have the potential to achieve great things. Trust in your abilities and let your light shine bright for all to see. Thank you for watching this video, Master number 22. As you navigate the energies and challenges of the year 2023, remember that you have the power to achieve great things. By staying grounded in your purpose, practicing self-care, staying adaptable, and seeking out support when needed, you can rise above any obstacle. If you're curious to learn more about the secrets of Master number 22, be sure to watch our next video. You'll discover even more insights and strategies to help you unlock your full potential and live a life of purpose and impact. Don't miss out on this opportunity to deepen your understanding of numerology and the power of master number 22. Watch the next video now. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.